Hi, I'm Keith Hollifield, and I'm here to invite you to our first ever Creative Aviation online. Many aviation legends like Neil Armstrong, Hoot Gibson, Burt Rutan credit much of their success to their early involvement in building and flying model aircraft. There is simply no better way to gain an intuitive understanding of how aircraft work than to build and fly your own. We're going to send you a laser cut kit of parts to build 4 different aircraft. The first is our 3-axis trainer. This is not a flying model, but it does get us used to the build process and lets us see the different axes about which aircraft can be controlled. Next up is a student favorite, our Sling Wing. Now this model features a folding wing design. It is launched by a rubber band catapult, and at the apex of its flight, the wing pops out and it glides back down. The performance of that airplane is tremendous given its simplicity. We've even had a student build one that caught a thermal and flew completely out of sight. The aircraft get more complex as we move on to our hand-launched glider. Now this features movable control surfaces, so we can change the configuration of the airframe and see how each change affects flight performance. The final airplane is our large flying wing. This also features movable control surfaces, and given a good launch, you get a nice flight out of this one. A side benefit of its large size is that it will accommodate a motor, batteries, and servos to become a radio control airplane. Now, we're not going to do that during class, but I will provide documentation to help you along that path. If you have an interest in aviation as a career or a hobby, you're going to love this class, and I look forward to seeing you this summer online at Newton's Attic.